dear children, today we will start our lesson number 1, natural and man-made things. Children, if we look around us, what do we see? We see many things around us. Out of them, some are natural and some are man-made. Can you tell what are natural and what are man-made things? So in this chapter, we will study about natural and man-made things only. So let us study first about natural things. What are natural things? The things that are not created by man are called natural things. For example, the sun, the moon, trees, birds, fruits and vegetables are some of natural things. Natural things means the things which are given to us by nature. So the figures are given here. The sun, moon, tree, bird, fruits, vegetables, all these are natural things. Now, what are man-made things and machines? Apart from the natural things, there are many other things that we see and use. Things such as fan, television, refrigerator, duster, bulb, pencil, sharpener and train are used by us to fulfill different needs. All these things have been created by man and are called man-made things. Now figures are given here. What are man-made things? The things which are created by man only. So that are known as man-made things. The figures are given here, such as fan. Fan is made by man. Refrigerator, duster, bulb, sharpener, train, all these things are made by man. So that's why they are known as man-made things. Some man-made things are also called machines. Machines are the tools that make our work easier. Some of the man-made machines are also known as machines. Now machines, what are machines? Machines are the tools that make our work easier. So one activity is given here. Let's try. Color the given man-made things. Write M for machines in the given boxes. You have to color the given man-made things. All these things are created by man. Table is created by man. Washing machine is created by man, and school bag is also created by man. So all the three things you have to color by yourself. So this is a homework. In your textbook you have to color. Now write M for machines in the given boxes. You have to write M for the machines in the given boxes. Now table is not the machine, so we will not write M in the box of table. Second one is the washing machine. It is a machine, so we will write M in the box of it. And school bag, it is also not a machine, so we will not write M in the box of that. Now what types of machines? In our daily life we see two types of machines, manual and automatic. Now machines are further divided into two types, which are manual and automatic. Now what are manual machines? Machines that are operated by our hands or any other part of our body are called manual machines. They need physical strength to work, such as bicycle, manual juicer and manual swing machine. So machines which are operated by our hands or any other part of our body are known as manual machines, which means we have to work with them. We need physical strength to work on them. For example, bicycle, manual juicer, manual swing machine. All these are machines which we have to work on them. So that's why they are known as manual machine. Now what are automatic machines? Machines that can work without any physical effort are called automatic machines. Automatic machines work either on electricity or fuel. Few machines are like that which are working without any physical effort, that are known as automatic machines. For example, the figure is given here. Automatic machines such as refrigerator, food processor and television work on electricity. For example, figures are given. Automatic machines are refrigerator, food processor, television. These are automatic machines. Now train, bus and aeroplane use fuel to work. Now train and bus and aeroplane is also a machine, but they need fuel to work, and these all needs electricity to work. Refrigerator, food processor and television. They did not need any of the physical effort, that's why they are known as automatic machines. Now benefits of machines. Some benefits of machines are as follows. Machines make our work easier. Yes, machine is making our work easier. Machines reduce human efforts. It reduces human efforts. Machines work faster than humans. Yes, machines are much faster than humans. Now children, you have to remember that we should take care of our machines. We should keep them free from dust. Such as computer, we have to always clean our computer and free it so that it can be free from dust. Now our this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Now let us recall some of the keywords which we have used in the lesson. Natural things. Things that are not created by man are known as natural things. Man-made things, things created by man to fulfill different needs are known as man-made things. And what are machines? Man-made tools that make our work easier are known as machines. Now our this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Just try to complete your exercise from the PDF given along with this and try to learn that. Thank you.